Maytag Bravos Dryer has F01 diagnostic code flashing and will not start. Replace control board and no change. Checked thermal fuses and all fine. Is there any other diagnostic that might indicate what the issue might be?
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. So unfortunately, F01 is a very straightforward error and not something you can just reset. F01 means that the main relay control board inside your control panel has failed and your control board would need to be replaced to fix the issue. You'll need the full model number located on a sticker just inside the doorway to look up the correct part number to get an exact cost, but the part is usually about $200. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Already bought new control board and get no change. F01 flashes up immediately with new board just like old board.
Then the board either came faulty or you replaced the wrong control board because there is nothing, and I mean absolutely nothing else that would cause this problem but the control board.
Okay. So say for instance one of the wires from the control to a controlled unit were shorted or open, would this not appear to be same thing? Control board is the exact same part number and generated the exact same diagnostic code.
No, it's a bad control board. A shorted wire wouldn't give you an F01 error until you tried to start the dryer, not when you plug the dryer back in if it was shorting out the board.
Relist, answer quality.
Hello, my name is XXXXXXXXXX. I am an authorized Maytag/Whirlpool service tech and I can help you today. Please give me 2 minutes to review the previous posts. Thank you. Okay, I have reviewed the previous posts. Can you first please tell me what the model number is XXXXX your machine? This way I can look up the right queue for you. And yes, this machine can be reset, so you can try that first if you haven't done so already. Basically with this dryer all you need to do is unplug the dryer or flip the circuit breaker off for at least 5 minutes. Then power it back on and hit the cancel button twice upon powering back on. Sometimes the F1 error will register on the display upon a power surge or short circuit. Or even when the computer shorts out. Which happens all the time. So if the F1 error still registers after resetting the main board, please let me know. Thanks.
Model number METHOV 200 VQ0 unit unplugged a few minutes. Will try your reset trick. Screw holding the air exhaust fitting had come loose and there was a good bit of lint blown into unit that I cleaned up. It's all buttoned up now, hoping that reset maybe takes care of it. Did not know how to reset.
Great. Thank you for the model number. I will look up the parts info now for the main control board, the CCU, and get back to you. Try the reset in the meantime and let me know what happens. But please remember to keep it unplugged for at least 5 minutes, then plug it back in. Can you please also tell me what the part number was of the new board you put in? I would like to see if it was the most up-to-date part. Sometimes Whirlpool/Maytag will update the main boards in these kinds of machines with upgraded parts, and if you had installed an old part it may not be the right board. I will check the parts info and be right back.
Controllers both part number W10111621. Oldest is Reverend D, not sure what new one is.
Yes. That is the right one and the correct or most recent revision. So if the machine is still giving the same error, definitely try the main reset. And if the machine is still giving the error after that, this would be the one in few cases that the board is giving a false error. And may be due to the way the machine is plugged in. By any chance is this plugged into an extension cord? If so, plug it directly into the wall outlet. Sometimes that alone will make these control boards go haywire and give false errors and other problems. If not, I'm sorry, but there may not be too much else you can do. Please let me know what happens after the reset. Thank you.
Cancel is power button, so hitting it twice just turns unit on then off. Power on again and hit start, sits for 5 seconds or so doing nothing, then puts up F with flashing F01. Is there any more detailed diagnostic mode that might give more of a test or refined codes?
No. I am afraid there is not much else that can be done diagnostically. At this point you might want to call Whirlpool Tech Service Department. Maybe they know some tricks that I don't.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.